Hey guys, we're here with Metal Pete and we're going to do a couple fan videos. So, first one is this Fasco World's Fair, which both Metal Pete and I love. It's a non-industrial fan that makes us happy. So it's got the very low system and it's set to low.
Yep.
It did have some very stiff bearings when we first hung it, and we put a little WD-40 in it, and now it runs a lot smoother, but there's still a little bearing noise, so... Okay. You want to do the wattage and power factor?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, so 0.56 amps, 63 watts, and a power factor of practically 1.
Gotcha.
That's with it all the way down. Okay, and then...
We're up a little bit.
Yep. Just kind of gradually turn it up.
We got to be close to the high. We're technically the medium setting here.
Yeah, getting towards the high. This is the highest setting on variable low.
It's a little noisy.
So 0.93 amps, 110 watts, and a power factor of 1.
It's quieter with actual
straight high.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's drawing just over an amp. That's up to speed. Just over an amp. And then...
That's going to be power factor right around 1.
a little bit less.
Under, yeah.
Okay. And then spin down. And I know what these do airflow-wise.
Yeah. Bearing still must be pretty stiff, because look how quick that spin down is.
Yeah. Well, I'm sure they're gonna be.
Okay, it's ready for reverse.
Okay, let's see here. Reverse is not on the switch housing.
It'd be on one of the vents normally.
Okay. Oh, here it is. Reverse. And then I'm just gonna...
Oh, you don't want to do low first?
Oh, I didn't know which way was low. Oh. I was trying to do low. I didn't know it was... Oh, yeah. It's set to... Okay, so what's it drawing?
Same.
Same.
Yep.
I'm just going to go straight up, all the way up on the variable. Let it speed up. So 0.91. Yep, same.
Yep.
Okay. Alright, we'll see what it does on the decade box. Chances are, with the stiff bearings, it might not start right away.
That's possible.
1, 2. I think it's struggling.
Yeah, it would
3.
normally start on 2.
Yeah, it looks like it was trying to start on 2, but it was struggling. So
Yeah.
it's going on 3. Oh, it stalled. So I'm going to go to 4. That shouldn't stall out. Here's 5. 7. Okay, it's an okay low. It's about. It's drawing much lower current.
Oh yeah.
This is like equal to the low speed that it's set at.
Yeah, capacitors are always going to be the most efficient way to get a lower speed. I don't know why that is, but I know it to be the case.
It's a cleaner.
Yeah.
6, 7, and here is 8. Very common, medium low for is 8.
Yep.
9, 10. 12. Here is 12. So you're getting a good medium right here.
Yeah, I'm fine. I like that medium.
13. Yeah, this is good. 13, 5/8, and 13. It's like my wall control in the living room that I have controlling the Panama. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, I'm still a little bit under. 21. Let's just, if I go 22, I'm right on. That's practically right there. And
Yeah.
let's see if I go over on 23. Yes. That I'm starting to, if I did. Yep, you're starting to creep over. But yeah, any wall control with this is safe. Basically. Now, the only test that I haven't done, I'm sure it's fine to do, but we already did solid state.
Yeah. Unless you could do the solid state control in there just to see how it starts. You don't have to, but since you can bypass that one completely being on high.
Yeah. But I'm just going to do 0 to high.
Okay.
Well, I think it's going to react the same.
Yeah.
It'll react the same.
1.05 and dropping. Oh, you meant with the solid state?
Yeah.
It'll start slower though, because it didn't start very low on the built-in one.
Okay.
I've always wanted to do an install of these somewhere, like a living room or something, where there's 2. Or more, for that matter. But I've always wanted to do a multiple fan install with these. For me, just one of these by itself doesn't do it for me as much as, I think having 2 in the same area would really be...
Well, I can give the solid state at least at the beginning.
Sure, it can't hurt. Still noisy.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. So
Yeah.
I figured it was going to react the same.
It's interesting, given that it's got a rubber flywheel, that it's still noisy.
Yep. Yeah, so that's really everything we did here for this fan, this World's Fair.
Okay, well, Metal Pete and I'll do a couple more fans, probably 1 or 2.
Okay.
So let's keep it moving. Thanks for watching.